Welcome back. If you're new here, we talk about making money online and business ideas. So if you're interested in those kind of stuff, consider subscribing because I post videos weekly. So let us get started. So in today's video, I will be talking about the two smartest online income combo that you can start right now even if you're a beginner and still make a lot of money in 2025. As you can see here, we have Fiverr, which is a platform where you can offer your gigs starting from $5 and clients can come to your gig page and order your service. Then we have Upwork, where clients post their job and you can apply for those jobs. Online tutoring is basically teaching students remotely through video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Skype, or any built-in tools. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you're good at languages, you can tutor students on Preply and you can set your own hours and rates and teach whatever you want. Well, the first step is to choose what you're going to teach. This can be anything you're good at or knowledgeable about. Next, create a strong tutor profile. Now, as a freelancer, you can use tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Canva to make your work easier. You can also check out Project for Design, Mockup, Wire, and Invision for design projects. And as a tutor, you can create worksheets or use free online resources like Quizlet, Kahoot, and Google Forms to make your teaching more effective. You can also use Screencast-O-Matic to record your screen for demo lessons or tutorials. And you can join Facebook groups or Telegram channels related to your field to get more clients. And you can also follow these tips to stay ahead of the competition and keep getting new clients. Include a good photo and intro video and highlight your qualifications and experience. Now, as a freelancer, you should not offer too many unrelated services. Focus on one or two services and do them well. Don't miss deadlines or poor communication with clients. And as a tutor, don't forget to prepare for your lessons and speak slowly and clearly. Also, don't be late for your scheduled lessons and be consistent with your availability. You can also mention your rates here. When setting your prices, consider your experience, qualifications, and the rates of other tutors in your field. Now you can combine both freelancing and tutoring to make even more money. Don't wait any longer to start earning passive income. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Let's say you're a content writer. You can offer your services on Fiverr, and you can also tutor students in writing or English. And if you're a graphic designer, you can also tutor students in art and design. This way you can diversify your income streams and make more money online. It's important to be competitive, but also to value your time and expertise. To attract your first student, you can offer a discounted rate or a free trial lesson. To market your services, you can join Facebook groups or Telegram channels related to online tutoring, or you can create social media pages and promote your services there. You can also record demo lessons or free tutorials and post them online to attract potential students. Next, we have Cambly, where you can teach conversational English. You don't need any degree or qualification to teach here, and you can earn $10 to $15 per hour. We also have Chegg Tutors, where you can help high school and college students with their homework and test prep. And if you're good at languages, you can check out Amazing Talker and italki. So let's say you're fluent in English, Spanish, French, or any other language. You can tutor students who want to learn those languages. Or if you're good at math, science, chemistry, or physics, you can tutor students who need help in those subjects. And if you're good at coding, you can tutor students who want to learn how to code. And you can also tutor students who want to prepare for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, and GMAT. Even if you're not good at any particular subject, you can still tutor students in areas like public speaking, resume writing, and soft skills. Basically, online tutoring is a great way to share your knowledge and help students achieve their academic goals while earning a good income. So on Upwork, you can actually see the entire project scope and timeline and then bid for that project. Now on Freelancer, clients post their project and other freelancers, and you can bid for that project. So these are the top 3 platforms to get started with, and you can also try others like TopTal and People Per Hour, which are advanced platforms, and you not get higher paying clients, but I would recommend to first start with Upwork or Fiverr. So basically, freelancing is working for yourself by offering your skills to people who need them and getting paid for that. Next, create a unique username. Add a nice profile picture and a detailed description about what you can do and why clients should choose you. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick breakdown of these services and show you which one pays the most. Now, if you're good at writing and have a good command of the English language, you can offer your services as a writer, content writer, or copywriter. On average, you can earn around $20 to $50 per article or copy. However, with experience and a good portfolio, you can increase your rates. Or you can also get into technical writing and write product manuals, user guides, and other technical documents. You can earn up to $40 to $70 per page on average. And for graphic design, if you have a creative flair and are proficient in design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Figma, you can offer your services as a graphic designer. As a beginner, you can charge around $20 to $50 per project. But as you gain experience, you can raise your prices. Web developers are in high demand, and you can expect to earn between $30 to $100 per hour. If you're a generalist, you can also become a virtual assistant and help businesses with administrative tasks. Virtual assistants can charge anywhere between $15 to $50 per hour. And with all these services, you can make a good amount of money as a freelancer. So yeah, you can check out this video here to know more about the best freelance skills to offer in 2025. Include relevant keywords so that people can easily find your services when they search for them. Make sure you add samples of your work to showcase your skills and experience. Finally, set competitive rates to attract clients. Keep in mind that it's better to start off cheap so that you can get good reviews and build your reputation. Once you have a positive feedback, you can increase your rates. So what do I mean by that? Let me explain a little bit more. So as you can see here, there are many services that are being offered like writing, graphic design, web development, game design, animation, translation, voiceover, and a lot more. So you can offer one or more than one service. So what you gonna do is you gonna go on websites where freelancers, just like you can connect with clients who need those services, and you gonna offer those services to them and get paid for doing so. So these services can range from anything. For example, writing, you could write blog posts, SEO articles, product descriptions, copywriting, and a lot more. For graphic design, you can offer logo design, social media post design, YouTube thumbnail design, website design, UX design, and a lot more. And for web development, you can offer WordPress, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, e-commerce websites, and a lot more. But yeah, there are a lot of services that you can offer, but if you don't have any skill in particular, you can watch this video here where I explained how you can learn any skill for free and get really good at it. Also, you will notice that you will be paid per task, per project, or hourly depending on what you agree with the client. The best thing is that as a freelancer, you don't have a boss. You don't have to go to any office. All you need is your laptop and some skills, and you can start making money online. The first one is freelancing. Now, what exactly is freelancing? Alright, so let me explain. So now let me show you the best freelancing platforms to get started with. So how to actually create a winning freelancer profile? Well, first things first, pick 1 to 2 services that you can confidently offer and do well. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of services you can offer as a freelancer, and the best ones to offer even as a beginner. They include writing and content creation, copywriting, proofreading, graphic design, web development, WordPress maintenance, virtual assistants, data entry, voiceover, translation, editing, and a lot more. Alright, so moving on to the second method, which is online tutoring. Now, what is online tutoring? Well, let me explain. So here are some of the best platforms to get started with. Now, how to start tutoring and get your first student. So before we move forward, I just want to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video. And now let's move forward. So now let me share with you guys some tools and tips to help you become a successful freelancer or tutor. Alright, so now let me show you guys some mistakes to avoid. Alright, so now let me share with you guys a bonus tip. As we end this video, I want to encourage you to get started today.